Hi, it's Sue at Moulton Farm. Just a nice little bit of information for you folks cleaning up your gardens in the spring. This is heuchera, although known as coral bells. Nice little foliage plant, also sprigs up a nice little delicate flower in the middle. You folks that have these, finding it hard to winter them over, they tend to heat in the wintertime due to the frost in the ground. And so first thing in the spring, as soon as your soil is ready to work, take that heuchera at the crown and push it down back into the soil and make sure that your roots are being covered again. And then you should be all set. These tend to dry out in the spring as they've heaved up, and if you don't get them back in the soil, that's when you folks, I think, are losing these. So a nice little tidbit, get your heuchera back into the soil and enjoy this beautiful plant for the summer.